common barriers that you see to collaboration among teams in the schools? And what are your top 2 pieces of advice for overcoming those barriers?
Collaboration is not a nice thing, it's a necessary thing. Because I don't care how much time you can see a kid as an SLP, it's never going to be enough to instantiate the kind of change we really need to happen. And the hard road of affecting how kids deal with language and literacy, it's so complicated. There are so many issues that you can't possibly take that on as a speech language pathologist without involving teachers, first of all, to know how the students' problems play out in the curriculum and in the classroom. And what is it you need to focus on to help that student be successful? And so I would say that the number one barrier is not understanding its importance. And of course, the remedy is what you're doing, is to attend professional learning activities where it's discussed and you get an appreciation. Because I don't know that they learn about that in preparation programs. It's not realistic to assume that something as sophisticated as collaboration can be taught well at the preparation level at the university. Certainly we can give students a heads up and communicate how important it is, but I don't think we can teach them how to do it that well at the university level.
Right.
So that's one thing. The other, there are so many barriers, but of course there are equal number of strategies to overcome them. But the other barrier, there are some real logistical barriers, just even of location. When speech language pathologists are like in their own room, way away from everybody, and they're not perceived as being really part of the school community, then people won't be looking for them, because they don't know they're there. But also, even if that is not the case, and even if the SLP has a wonderful relationship with teachers, there's the logistics, especially at the secondary level, which is where I love to work. High schools are so big, and there are so many teachers to be involved.